since day one, I've been getting it. I'm spitting gibberish, I spit the realest shit. That's why they can feel my shit, and I'm limitless, running like a business. I ain't leaving witnesses, I just keep on getting it. So meticulous, spitting out these images, traveling these distances just so I could win a bit. And they feeling it, I just keep on dealing it. Jackpot stealing it, haven't hit the ceiling yet. It's the chronicle, lick it like a popsicle. Everything is comical, nothing left is logical. Yeah, biological, maybe diabolical. They say psychological, that don't mean I'ma stop it. No, economical, thinking technological, thinking philosophical, drinking like an animal and writing shit that's flammable, writing shit that's tangible, writing hits like in that flow. They eat them up like cannibals, sweet just like a fighter. I'ma spit just like a savage. You can call me.
You look so ugly when you lying to me. I don't feel nothing when you crying to me. And if you left, you know how fine I would be. I got 10 bitches and they're dying for me. You look so ugly when you lying to me. I don't feel nothing when you crying to me. And if you left, you know how fine I would be. I got 10 bitches and they're dying for me. So much time wasted, lot of different faces. Love for you is fading, and I'm trying to get you out the way. I know you chasing, I'm feeling I erased from you. Lying to my face, I just had to do the race. I told you I love you, I'm switching around. I gave you a chance and you let me down. You dropped me but you could've set me down. I needed a breath and you let me drown. So many different places, I've been doing things that I ain't proud of leaving traces. You look so ugly when you lying to me. I don't feel nothing when you crying to me. And if you left, you know how fine I would be. I got 10 bitches and they're dying for me. You look so ugly when you lying to me.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the creeper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one out so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no. I don't want no more voices loud in my head. I don't want no more. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. Pain goes